Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Today, I am proud to present UADM version 2.7.0, the Universal Data Gateway. At Unicorn Tech Integration, we believe that data shouldn't be a limitation. It should be an advantage. That is why we've built a platform that moves beyond the industry standards like Microsoft Fabric. By combining multi-database connectivity with AI-powered intelligence, we are giving you total centralized control. Let's take a look at how UADM version 2.7.0 is redefining what's possible in the world of data. Most enterprises today are struggling with data fragmentation. As you can see on the screen, we're dealing with 4 major pain points: security blind spots due to broad access, manual bottlenecks that waste hundreds of hours, siloed ecosystems where data simply doesn't talk to each other, and API chaos. It's time to move beyond these disconnected systems. Now let's look under the hood at our centralized control plane architecture. At the heart of this system is the UADM gateway, acting as a single point of intelligence. Instead of managing fragmented data sources, we've created a unified flow. On the left, you see our entry points, external apps, BI tools, and users, all flowing through a secure AI-driven core. We aren't just routing data, we're protecting it with a query sandbox and dual authentication, while leveraging models like Claude and Gemini to keep our metadata optimized in real time. It's about total control without the complexity. Our platform offers pluggable multi-database connectivity, giving you the ultimate flexibility to integrate your data ecosystem seamlessly. Whether you rely on MySQL, PostgreSQL, or enterprise solutions like Azure and Microsoft Fabric, we provide a direct and secure bridge to your insights. But it's not just about connection, it's about trust. Everything is protected by uncompromising AES 256 encryption, ensuring your credentials are only handled server-side. It's fast, it's flexible, and above all, it's secure. Security shouldn't be a yes or no question. It should be about precision. With our 4 deep data scopes, we move beyond simple passwords. We isolate data across 4 critical dimensions: data source, domain, layer, and tag. Think of it like surgical precision. For example, if an API key is assigned only to sales and gold level data, it is mathematically impossible for it to touch HR or bronze files. We don't just lock the door. We ensure every user is in exactly the right room, every time. Next, let's talk about security. Our Active Query Sandbox is designed to give you data access without the risk. We've built in 4 critical guardrails. It automatically blocks destructive commands like drop or delete, enforces strict table whitelists, and applies row and rate limits to prevent accidental data leaks. It's all about providing a powerful API that keeps your core database absolutely untouchable. This slide represents the heart of our data strategy: 360 degrees data discovery and cataloging. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, we've unified everything into a single, intuitive interface. First, the foundation, our tables, are fully documented in both Thai and English, including sensitivity labels to ensure security is built in from the start. Second, the connection. We don't just show data, we show how it talks to each other. Our relationship mapping gives you precise join hints, making complex queries feel simple. Third, the language. Our business glossary ensures that everyone, from IT to management, speaks the same language by standardizing every key term. Finally, the action. We provide a curated library of query examples for one-click execution, so you can move from finding to knowing instantly. The most important part is at the bottom: Markdown Sync. This means your documentation isn't a static file, it's a living document that stays synced with your system. It is, quite literally, your absolute source of truth. To ensure total data integrity, we focus on 3 critical pillars: audit, drift, and freshness. First, we move beyond basic logging with per-request audits, tracking every caller identity and response time in real time. Second, our workspace snapshots act like a photographic memory for your data, instantly flagging any schema drift or missing tables. Finally, we guarantee true data freshness. Instead of just trusting a quote pipeline success green light, we query the actual data values to ensure what you see is truly up to date. It's complete governance, simplified. Data architecture can get complex, but staying in control shouldn't be. With our pipeline lineage, we provide full visibility from the source DB to the destination table. We focus on 3 core pillars. First, cross-pipeline mapping to trace data origins instantly. Second, impact analysis, so you know exactly what happens downstream if a source goes offline. And finally, collaborative annotation, which keeps your team synced with real-time status updates like add to Fabric or monitor. It's about making your data workflows predictable and transparent. Next, let's look at how we manage data intelligence. On the left, our stored procedure knowledge base automatically syncs your legacy SQL Server SPs, turning tribal knowledge into organized, tagged assets. Moving to the right, deep table analysis takes the guesswork out of ETL. With one click, the AI analyzes your data patterns and recommends the best load strategy, whether it's master, upsert, or transaction, saving your team hours of manual profiling. Manual data cataloging is often slow and prone to errors, but with our AI Advisor, we've simplified the entire process. Just paste a single stored procedure, and our core AI instantly generates 5 key dimensions of metadata, from table relationships to a full business glossary. It's data cataloging in just one click. We all know that querying databases can be a bottleneck for non-technical teams. With our AI workspace, we've simplified that entire process. You can now chat with your data using natural language. Whether it's PostgreSQL, Fabric, or SQL Server, the AI understands your business schema and writes the complex SQL for you, instantly, accurately, and securely. And it's all about total transparency. You can view, edit, and audit every query in real time. It's not just fast, it's fully under your control. As we look at this slide, you'll see that our solution isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic advantage tailored for every key player in your enterprise. First, for the IT manager, we provide that, quote, single pane of glass. It's about moving from fragmented systems to unified control, where audit logging and compliance happen automatically. For the data engineer, we're removing the bottleneck. By using AI-driven ETL suggestions and centralized queries, we're allowing them to focus on high-level architecture instead of manual troubleshooting. Our data stewards also see a massive shift. We've transformed what used to be a tedious manual cataloging process into an automated, AI-assisted workflow. This ensures that data quality stays high without the heavy manual lift. And finally, we've simplified life for external developers. They can now consume enterprise data through secure, rate-limited sandboxes. This means faster innovation for them, without adding any unnecessary Azure AD overhead for your IT team. In short, we're not just managing data, we're synthesizing value for the entire organization. When we look at native portals like Fabric, we often run into limitations that slow down enterprise growth. On the left, you see the status quo, manual entries and broad security. But on the right, UADM version 2.7.0 changes the game. We've moved from basic workspace roles to 4D granular security and traded manual cataloging for AI automated generation. Most importantly, while native portals lock you into one ecosystem, UADM provides a unified bridge across Fabric, Azure SQL, Postgres, and MySQL. It's not just a portal, it's a smarter, more secure way to manage your data. To wrap things up, we are ready to help you drive your business forward with our tech solutions. You can find all our contact details right here on the screen. Feel free to take a quick photo or visit our website for more information. We look forward to building a successful partnership with you. Thank you.